Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here's a few questions and answers for low latency mode that I see in the comments section, and also a couple of emails that I've got. So, first of all, a lot of people are saying, is there a switch to turn it on or off? No, and it will never be there. There are no need for any switches. You have a feature that enables your PC to run faster. There's no reason to not want this at all. It doesn't break anything, doesn't do anything except speed up the machine, which is exactly what you want at very specific time and at a very brief time too. Now, it is part of the update, the preview update for May, but Microsoft says that the actual turning on of the low latency profile feature will happen for most at Patch Tuesday of June. So you'll get, even if you don't install it now, 508.95.73 will be integrated with the Patch Tuesday. And you will get, of course, the low latency mode. So that means if we look in June, Patch Tuesday for June will be the 9th. So on the 9th, a lot of people might start seeing that their PCs react faster on, startup of apps and start menu, and the quick action center and all of that would be faster. The best way for those that wonder if they'll see a difference, what they are saying is use the start menu. Check at how long the start menu. Look at its performance now before you install the May update, and try to see if it will actually make a difference in June when the update actually turns on the low latency profile mode. Another thing is some people have noticed it on the task manager by looking at spikes in the performance of the CPU when people turn on, go and use the start menu, for example, seeing little spikes in performance. Same with the quick action center and so on. So some people might see that, but it's not the best test. One of the best tests is to use the hardware monitor app that will show you performance. Um, the faster and more modern your PC is, the less you will notice a difference. This is important to note because if your PC is already a fast, modern PC, that difference is almost barely noticeable. So some of you will say, well, I don't see any difference because you're already at peak speed, and that advantage, that CPU boost that it gives, you don't really see that difference. But older PCs will definitely notice this. PCs that don't have a lot of RAM will notice this. This is important to understand that if your PC has, 8 gigabytes of RAM or less, one thing for sure is that you will notice that more than people that have a lot of RAM and have faster PCs. The older the PC running Windows 11, the more you will notice the increase in performance and in there. So, like I said, they are kind of saying that June patch Tuesday would be when most people will have it turned on. There could be exceptions. They are saying that there are machines that might not be tweaked yet because of little incompatibilities that they need to check out and tweak before. But for the most part, everybody has it. There will be no switches. There will be no setting in settings. Nothing. This is, you turn it on and that's it. And it works. And that's that. And that is important to understand. I mean, it's no PCs that have these types of boost. Like, Mac OS has this type of CPU boost feature for apps and starts and stuff like that. And I mean, there's no settings for that because there's nothing that you want to tweak. It's you want to have a faster PC and that's it. So that's pretty much what's going to happen with that low latency profile coming. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks you for watching.